Mindset in this game is everything, and I want you to think about this as a game. A lot of people get into this with false pretenses or misconceptions about digital marketing. The way that a lot of people who are in it market it on their content kind of makes it seem like it's super easy and it's a get rich quick scheme. But I am going to be the first person to tell you it is not. It takes a lot of work, it takes consistency, it takes a lot of time to build up an audience, to build their trust, and that is where the sales come from. So I want you to go into this knowing that it is a commitment, and as long as you stick to it and pivot based on what you're already doing and what you feel like you need to change in order to grow and get to where you want to go, you will be successful in this. I promise. But it all comes down to you being able to stay consistent, stay motivated, especially through months of no results. It takes a tremendous amount of discipline, consistency, learning, and growth to really get to where you want to go. A lot of it seems easy. A lot of it is fairly easy. However, just posting and leaving it isn't going to make you tens of thousands of dollars online. One of the biggest things you need to remember is that your journey is your journey. The reason why things aren't working or the reason why you're not seeing the sales you want to is probably because there's more that you need to learn to have a long-term business. Yes, there are many people in this business who make a lot of money right off the bat. And there's a huge potential that you will be too. But I don't want you to be discouraged seeing all these people make money in sales and you're there just like with crickets. I myself started this back in May 2024. I've made probably close to $6,000 now. That includes my freelance social media jobs. I've made about $150 with digital products in itself, which I'm super proud of. But I know that like my success is going to be more long term because I'm constantly learning more and more about how to be successful in this field and how to scale a business for long-term success. If you're seeing really big growth in the beginning, a lot of entrepreneurs in this space get this attitude like, I got this, I can do it, clearly I can do it, I'm making all this money. But I've seen a lot of those people over the past 8 to 10 months trail off. Like, they were killing it in the beginning and now I don't see them posting anymore. I don't see them working on their business. So it really is a long-term game. And if you think about it like that, that will help you stay focused and motivated for the long run. One of my biggest tips in this space is to reinvest into education and learning. Like I said, the more you learn, the more you're going to have a long-term business success. And that's really the goal of starting your business in the first place. You don't have to start your business and then it be super successful in the beginning and then 6 months later you're not making any sales and then you have to go back to your full-time job or a job that you hate. It really depends on how much you know and how well you are able to fail, practice, analyze what didn't work, and tweak it so that it does work in the future. One of the things I was super surprised about when I got into digital marketing was how supportive and friendly the people are in this field. I was blown away by it, to be honest. I didn't think there'd be so much support and kindness. When you are feeling unmotivated, if you're feeling confused or stressed out, please reach out to me. I will be there to help you learn, help you grow, give you feedback, whatever it is you need to stay motivated, I got you. And finally, I think the most important thing that will lead to your success is how much you believe in yourself. Like I said, I didn't pop off right in the beginning. My business has grown over the past 8 months and I'm so proud of that. But I didn't pop off like some of the people do in this field. But I'm still here. I'm here creating this course because I know, I want to create my own course. I don't want to just be selling or promoting someone else's course. I wouldn't be sitting here talking to you right now if I didn't believe in myself and believe that I was going to see that success at some point or another. You've got this. Stay positive, and I'm here to help you through every step of your journey.